Yo, what's going on, guys? Happy Monday. Just wanted to show you one little update I did with my Honda Accord V6 sedan. I added a new battery, a platinum AGM rated 710 cold cranking amps battery. I did that last week. I didn't really make a video of it because it was the middle of the night. But AGM batteries are basically, they have a gel like fluid in their battery instead of like a battery acid like a regular battery. So they're a lot less prone to like leaking battery acid on the terminals, which like my Subaru was super bad at doing because it wasn't an AGM battery. So I recommend if you ever need to replace a battery, go with the AGM. I went with the diehard platinum at Advanced Auto Parts because they had a discount where you get like 20% off, which you can do online and you just pick up and install there or have them installed, whichever way you want. So that's what I did, just a quick little update I wanted to talk about. But there's the beast, the 278 horsepower Earth Dreams Honda 24 valve IV Tech J Series 3.5 liter V6. And of course I am K-tuned with the tune. There's the ECU right there. And the strut tower brace. It's an amazing engine, you know, 278 horsepower front wheel drive. Yeah, they can do a quarter mile stock in roughly 14.1 seconds. 0 to 60 5.6 stock. And currently I'm getting like a 0 to 60 at 5.4 with the stage 1 tune, so it's an impressive engine indeed. So just want to make that quick little video. But I'm going to go out, start my day. Hope you guys have a great Monday, and I'll see you guys around. Thanks for watching. LuzWX signing out / Luz Motivation on Instagram. Peace out.